Everyone wants to save time and money when preparing meals, so today we're making two meals instead of just one. And these are spaghetti with minced beef and mushroom, and minced beef with mushroom, round beans, and potatoes. And here are our ingredients. In a preheated pan, put 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and saute the garlic and onion. Put the minced beef once the garlic turns golden brown and the onion became translucent. Now you need to stir it thoroughly to remove some clumps. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the minced beef turns brown, put the pre-cut mushrooms. Thoroughly mix the mushroom and the minced beef. Once the mushroom is cooked and soft, divide the mixture into two. One for the spaghetti with mushroom and one for the minced beef with mushroom, round beans, and potatoes. Now for the spaghetti with mushroom, put the tomato sauce. Now put 1/8 cup of water into the jar, close the lid and shake it, and put the mixture into the pan. Now add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add half cup of water and completely stir the sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now completely stir the mixture and cook for another 15 minutes and our sauce is done. Now in another pan, put your pasta and completely cover it with 4 liters of boiling water. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. This will prevent the pasta from sticking together. Cover the pan. Now after 10 minutes, check if your pasta is al dente. Al dente is cooked through but still firm enough to bite. Drain the pasta. Now put some butter on the pasta and thoroughly mix until the butter is all melted. Now put your sauce onto your pasta. Thoroughly mix until all combined. And there you have it. Our spaghetti with minced beef and mushroom is now done. Now put the potatoes on the other half of minced beef and mushroom. Add half cup of water and put the lid on. After 20 minutes, check that the potatoes are all cooked before you add the round beans. Then thoroughly stir to mix all the ingredients together. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Then add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Thoroughly mix together and cook for another 10 minutes. And voila! We have our second dish, our minced beef with brown beans, mushroom, and potatoes. Well, I hope you try this and see you in our next video. Bye for now.